Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 27th of May. Here's your weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham, for all your garden needs. So we have some pretty nice weather here over the course of the next 12 hours or so. We've got lots of sunshine. It's going to be warm. We're in the low to mid 80s, and temperatures are going to continue to be quite warm right through the evening hours. We'll have a shower or thunderstorm perhaps coming through as a frontal system passes. And tomorrow morning's around 60. It's also a little bit drier tomorrow morning in terms of humidity. So dew points are not that high. I would say that, it's not certainly in the oppressive range by any means. The dew point last night was around 55, and we're finding most places this morning with the dew points generally in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees this afternoon. So it's warm, but it's not excessively so. Now, dew points are going to continue in the low 50s here tomorrow. Temperatures around 70 degrees. The winds flip around to the north, so it is cooler. And then we may see a shower or a thunderstorm popping up in the afternoon after, say, 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. Then on Friday, less of a chance of rain before we get even cooler on Saturday, around 62, 63 degrees, and a pretty good chance of a few showers around during Saturday. It's not going to rain all the time, but it's going to be an unsettled kind of a day. Sunday a little bit better, mostly sunny, but still cool in the 60s. We will get a little bit warmer next week, but I don't see any big heat in sight. So those of you that like this warm weather, today is your day. Have a great morning, everybody.